Okay, I have been looking all over for this Craftably. I dug through my stash and I was looking for the tape, Craftably's logoed tape, and finally, after dust and bunnies and you name it, I found it. So I'm unboxing it for you. This is one of my faves. Can't wait to work on it. Thank you for your patience, and I hope you enjoy. Hey everyone! Guess what I found? I thought I had another Craftably to open. If you watched the previous video right away, you'll see that I opened two Craftablys, and this one I had to dig and I found it. I received it a while ago and life just got busy and here it is. So I'm so excited. This is one of my favorites that they have just put out. And I was worried that I had lost it in my house. Let me make sure. Okay. I have a song stuck in my head, the Beach Boys song. Give me a beach boy, free my soul. Okay, thank you so much for your support of Craftably. We appreciate your patience while we're waiting the arrival of pre-orders. We hope you enjoy working on these gorgeous prints. We look forward to bringing you more prints and paintings to keep you in the future. Always remember to keep calm and craftably on. Rebecca, aka Craftably GG. Woo woo. Okay, so this one's called A Light After the Storm. I had gotten Shine, which I'm currently working on. I had gotten Java Joanna, and I got those two right away, and then this is Light After the Storm. So I'd gotten 3 of the pre-orders. This is their 4.0. Again, currently, it's August 2021. They're having a white tube sale. They used to send in an amazing tube, and they still have some of their stock in the tubes. And so they're having a sale. I probably should talk to you while looking at you. Otherwise you can't hear me. But they're having an amazing sale. So go check out their website for the sale. I'm going to crinkle for a minute. But their new product, their 4.0, this is their 4th rendition, comes in this beautiful travel case, and it's an artist tube. And the artist tube means that you can open, you can extend it. I plan on storing some of my diamond paintings in here and seal them. It's not waterproof because you've got, you know, some of this and it can get down here, but it is going to keep your paintings dust-free and clean. And so if you're still waiting on, are you going to give it away? Or are you going to wrap it up? Whatever. I know I can store up to 3 paintings in here depending on how big they are, wrapping them around each other. Here is A Light After the Storm. Look, I love how they put it right here. So if you have a stash, you can look at the painting right away. This shows you how to diamond paint. If you're new to diamond painting, you get a sticker for your logbook. I usually put the sticker when I'm, you know, using storage of any kind. I just put it in here, and then when I'm done, I can put it in my logbook. And then I love these stickers. There's 44 colors, looks like 1 AB, and you can see the symbols very clearly. I love the size of it. These are Harbor Freight. I just have it in a different container from Harbor Freight, but I love how they fit, and they're so clear and colorful and beautiful. You don't need your glasses to grab the right color. They did an excellent job with that. All right, so let's see what's in here. Forgive my dog. I guess the mailman might be here, or the UPS guy or something. Okay, so here are the colors. I did get square in this. And what I love about Craftably is that they come in the baggies. Here's the AB color. And they're in order, 1 through 44. And so if you don't have storage, you can work right out of the baggies. Or if you like working out of bags. I actually have this from the Dollar Tree. And if I'm lazy and I don't want to, I'm going to work on something quick, I can put the baggies in order here and work right out of them. So I like that. Okay, so let's unroll this baby and see what it is. Okay, and then they have down here the licensing information, so you know it's legit. It is poured glue. Because it's square, it is going to have that square on the canvas. Can you see that? All right. So this is the one that has the lighthouse and the girl during the storm. And I just thought it was breathtaking. You've got your ocean view. You've got the fence. You have the woman standing here. You've got this beautiful lighthouse. And the storm clouds. It's just really, I don't know. It just spoke to me. It spoke to me. I can't wait to see how this comes out. This will be one of the ones that jumps in line next. There is some color blocking through here, but there's also some confetti. That's one thing I like about Craftably as well, is that it's a good mix. Fantastic. All right, let's see what fun goodies we got in here. We got the normal toolkit, which comes with a single placer, sharp tweezers, a, looks like a 7 placer, and a 4 placer, wax, yep. And then they are giving extra goodies in the 4.0. I just said in my last video I wanted a hedgehog and it was sitting here the whole time. So they give, the goodies are 2 random washi tapes. You get your Craftably wax, and they're giving a random cover minder. So that's in the 4.0, not in the white tubes. And then for every diamond painting you purchase, they are putting money towards planting trees. So they're all about sustainability as well. This is absolutely gorgeous. A Light After the Storm by Jody Bergsma. Absolutely breathtaking. And like the lighthouse is outlined in the AB, the little lighthouse house is with ABs. It's just breathtaking. It's so gorgeous. I cannot wait to do this one. So thank you so much, Mike and Amy over at Craftably and the Craftably team. You guys are rocking it. Again, don't forget DP Addiction Adventures if you want 15% off, and go grab your own. And you will not be disappointed. I'm currently working on Shine right now, and it's just making me feel all types of good inside. And so they have the rainbow tree, which I did in the past and absolutely loved it. They have that one with a new rendering. It's just, oh my gosh, there's so much. And I just feel so good when I work on a Craftably. It just makes me feel all warm and fuzzy inside. Okay, so until next time, guys, be blessed, take care. I love you all. Bye-bye.